Supermarkets nationwide are recalling a dog food called Canine Cannabis, which was delivered from my hometown in Mexico. This has ruined the life of many, many animals, including this dog here. Her name is Trixie.
She was a healthy, well-adjusted dog, but all of that was about to change. Melba Quackenbush fed her dog Trixie Canine Cannabis. She immediately started hallucinating and having horrible nightmares. A feeling of euphoria descended upon her. She began to viciously devour everything in sight. She became paranoid and isolated herself from the world.
I had no idea this was gonna happen to my animal.
Officials have since burned the entire shipment of the dog food, but the damage has already been done.
People, be sure to read the label.
This is Esperanza Garcia, News Channel 11, signing off.